Hello, my name is Bharti Kapadia and I'm 63 years old and from Australia. For a number of years, I've been having pain in both my knees and this was getting worse by the day. Eventually, walking became a problem and climbing stairs was even harder. My legs were no longer straight. I consulted several specialists who all advised that I needed a full knee replacement. On my trip to India, I had the good fortune to consult with Dr. Amyn Rajani, who advised that I may be a candidate for a partial knee replacement and explained to me the advantages. I was impressed, and 6 months later, I was back in India and had the partial knee replacement surgery. It was a bilateral partial knee replacement surgery. Post-operative care by Dr. Rajani's team was excellent and my recovery was quick. I was able to walk without aid within 3 days, and in a month I was walking normally and I was off all medication and my legs, which were bowed, were now straight. It's been 10 months now and I can walk long distances and climb stairs without any pain. My sincere thanks to Dr. Rajani and his team for a superb job. Special thanks also to Dr. Meenakshi, the physiotherapist, who did an amazing job ensuring my recovery. Thank you, Dr. Rajani.